there's anything that you want, just ask for it, Old Sport.
Old Sport, nice. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz 60. Check out this new teaser for The Great Gatsby.
I'm Gatsby.
I wish it could always be like this.
It will be. I wish I could have warned him. It was all about to crash.
What kind of a row are you trying to cause in my house?
I heard he killed a man.
You want too much?
This was a terrible mistake.
I just let myself go.
All right, so the music is Jack White doing a cover of U2's Love is Blindness, and not Jay-Z, who's overseeing the soundtrack. You get to see some more of Leo DiCaprio as Gatsby, Carey Mulligan as Daisy, and Tobey McGuire as narrator Nick Carraway, ahead of the movie's May 10th release. So what do you think? Are you into this new reinvention of the classic Fitzgerald novel? Or do you think somebody dropped the ball on that green light? Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.